Now that we have already installed WordPress, we are going to change the theme of the WordPress. I will show you exactly which theme I am using on all of my websites and why I am using it. So in order to get the theme, go to Appearance, Themes, click on Add New, and here you have to write Generate Press. And this is the theme that I'm using. Install it. It's completely free. So wait a couple of seconds, activate it, and let's open it to show you what it looks like. So it's nothing fancy, but I will show you what settings I'm using on this theme. I will remove these footer widgets, we don't need them. I will remove all these things from the sidebars and I will squeeze the page. So let's click on Customize. And let's go to Layout. Change the container width to 800 pixels. 800 pixels. Then change the header width to Contained. Same goes for the navigation width, again Contained. And then go to Content Layout and select one container. Remove select content with no sidebars. Do the same thing here and here. Alright. And here select 0 footer widgets. You don't need any of them. Alright. And change the footer width again to Contained. Perfect. Let's save it. And these are the settings that I'm using on this web page. And I will briefly explain why I'm using it this way. I'm using it this way simply because when someone enters this website, they will be focused on this area right here. And our ads will be right here. There will be nothing else. Our text will be below the ads. There will be nothing on the sides or above it. So the first thing that the person will see when they open your website, it will be your ads. So this is the theme that I'm using, Generate Press, with these settings, very easy to set up. I will show you more about it in the next videos.